Hello and welcome to this SmartPlot tutorial. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to import data, tidy it up, and explore it quickly so you can move from raw files to reliable insights with confidence. We'll begin with the local file import block. Drag and drop a new file, assign a file type and cost center if needed, or choose one you've already uploaded. In this example, I'm using the hybrids data for NoMaze. After import, you can adjust column types, manage visibility, pick where the file is stored, or remove it if it's no longer required. With the file loaded, the table view gives you an immediate snapshot of the structure. This is where you make small, high-leverage edits that speed up everything downstream. Clean up unclear column names, rearrange fields into a logical order, and hide columns that aren't relevant to the analysis at hand. Treat it like decluttering. The data stays available, but you surface only what matters, so patterns are easier to spot and share. A few careful tweaks here save minutes every time you return to the dataset and make later steps smoother. Next comes renaming. Connect the rename block to the import block, select a column, and give it a clearer, shorter label. This is especially helpful when headers are long, technical, or inconsistent across sources. You can rename several columns at once to keep conventions consistent for teammates and future projects. And because the change is visual, you'll catch mistakes instantly. Now, let's explore the show table block, your control panel for organizing and checking data. Here you can reorder columns to bring key metrics to the front, reset layouts, and unhide fields when needed, all without losing the original structure. The block also offers quick visualization so you can validate the dataset without building a chart. For each numeric column, you'll see a spectrum from minimum to maximum values. Red at the low end, blue at the high end. Outliers and gaps stand out immediately. If you'd rather compare values across the entire dataset, switch to whole table mode. It normalizes across columns so you can judge how one metric stacks up in the broader context. When something looks off, jump back to adjust types or visibility and recheck the view immediately. All of this happens inside this view. These lightweight views help you spot issues early, unexpected spikes, missing ranges, or values that seem out of scale, before they distort deeper analysis or dashboards. Combine them with simple filtering to focus on a subset of fields or records, then restore everything with a single reset when you're ready to zoom back out. This workflow lets you iterate quickly while keeping the full context only a click away. For a quick numeric summary, select field location and grain yield to aggregate results by location and display mean values. It's an instant pulse check. Which locations are performing best, which need attention, and where variation suggests there's more to investigate, all without writing formulas or code. That's the tour. You imported a file, tidied the table, renamed columns, explored the show table block with fast visual checks, and calculated a mean to surface a simple insight. In future tutorials, we'll go deeper into correlations, cost centers, and building repeatable pipelines. But with these essentials, you're ready to explore your data in SmartPlot with confidence.